You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. I know many people get confused by those. If you want to learn more vocabulary like this and improve your pronunciation in English, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos you should listen to and learn from. The top word in English is pronounced row, alright? As in a row, when you put things in a line, a row. As in a row of ducks, for example. Row, alright? Now, the bottom word is when meat or vegetables, food, for example, is not cooked. It's raw, alright? Raw. That's spelling R-A-W, raw, alright? So one is row, the top word, R-O-W, row. The other is pronounced raw. Can you hear the difference in sound? Row, which has a bit of a diphthong, O, row, versus raw. Now, the Americans pronounce them slightly differently, but that's a different story. Row, raw. Can you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce those? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.